Women in investing. The untapped powerhouse of wealth for decades, investing was seen as a man's game. But today, women are shattering financial barriers and proving they are not just capable investors, they might even be better than men at it. Upward trend money bag. The facts speak for themselves. Studies show that women tend to outperform men in investing. A report by Fidelity found that female investors earned higher returns on average than their male counterparts. Why? Because women are more likely to take a long-term approach rather than chasing short-term gains. Diversify wisely, reducing risk and increasing stability. Stay calm during market volatility, while many male investors panic and overtrade. Breaking the barriers. Despite this success, women still invest less than men. Many hesitate due to a lack of confidence, not a lack of ability. But the tide is turning. More women than ever are taking control of their financial futures, investing in stocks, real estate, crypto, and businesses. Why women must invest now. Rocket closing the wealth gap. Women typically earn less and live longer than men. Investing is the key to financial independence and retirement security. Money bag. Power of compound growth. Even small investments today can grow into millions over time. Globe impact investing. Women tend to invest with purpose, supporting companies that drive social change, sustainability, and innovation. The future is female and wealthy. The investing world is evolving, and women are leading the charge. From Wall Street to Silicon Valley, female investors are proving that smart, strategic investing isn't about gender, it's about knowledge, patience, and vision. Light bulb. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time? Right now.